Hello, and welcome to For Yoga Teachers. This podcast has been created to help yoga teachers teach with passion, avoid burnout, and earn a fair living. And today we have a short but punchy episode to remind you that you are doing a great job. Honestly, you really are. Here at For Yoga Teachers, we work closely with many yoga teachers, and we know that usually you tend to err on the side of self-deprecation rather than overconfidence. So while you might be thinking that you're not really making much progress with your to-do list, or you wish your classes were a little busier, or you should be focusing on getting more corporate work, or maybe I should teach faster like that teacher, or I should gen up on my Sanskrit like that teacher. Even with some of that or all of that, know that you are doing a great job. You're turning up consistently. You're invested in making people feel better through yoga, and they really are. So, when you notice that you're thinking about the shoulds and the have tos, can you instead refocus your attention to a nice thing that someone said about your class, or a testimonial that you got after your last workshop? Because, yoga teacher, hear me when I say you are doing a great job.